I'm Richard Beck, and on this video, I'm going to explain exactly what you get when you purchase a welded BA Shredder Mega Kit. This is something I get asked a lot, so I decided just to make a real quick video and cover everything because it's a lot faster to copy and paste a link into a text message than to sit there with my fingers trying to, type out a 10-minute explanation. So here we go from the top. So this is what you get when you order a welded BA Shredder Mega Kit. Everything, all right? Included is the frame, fully welded with all the hardware, including the new Gen 3 work rest. You get the Gen 3 belt saver, so if it breaks, you're not shredding your fingers. You get a 3-inch tracking wheel. You get two 2-inch idler wheels. It does not come with a contact wheel, but it is drilled to accept a 4-inch contact wheel. And it comes with a 7-inch drive wheel with a 5/8 bore. It all ships in one box. I ship these anywhere inside the United States. It comes with everything you see, including the 7-inch drive wheel. It also has the multi-axis tracking kit. This is the 3rd generation of the multi-axis tracking kit, and it is perfected to a T. First off, we have 1/2-inch thick steel brackets. We've got precision ground shoulder bolts, 1/2-inch rod ends. We've got a die spring that always has the perfect tension. You don't have to worry about dialing your lock nut into the right tension because this is always going to have the right tension. I've got nylon slip washers in there, so you have smooth rotation, 360 degrees, right? Because before, without the spring, if you didn't weld this on flat, you would have a hard spot where it'd be like really hard and then it'd be super easy. So with vibration, this thing could slightly change. Not gonna happen with the new version of the BA Shredder multi-axis tracking kit. Anyways, guys, thanks a lot for watching. If you have any other questions, shoot me an email. My email address will be in the description of this video. I will always answer questions. You could put a comment on this video, and that would be great because that would help everybody. Because then when I answer your question, everybody else can see the answer. Also, if you have a question, make sure you check the comments section of this video because I might have already answered it, and that will save both of us some time. All right, guys. Thanks again. Thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting the work that I do. I very, very much appreciate it, and I appreciate you. Thank you. I'll see you later.